In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple tracks using Audacity. Very easy. Assuming I have these multiple tracks, this one, I have them, very many tracks, and I can just drag and drop them in Audacity. There are different tracks, you can see them, you can see the arrangement. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to select over here. You can click on all, which is going to select the entire tracks. And the next thing is you can come to tracks, over here, and then you can come to align tracks. You can go straight down to align end to end, so you can just click, and this is going to make it one track but under different tracks. Okay, so this is one track. If you play them, it's going to play continuously till the end of it. You can see it, everything. Now, if you want to align everything into a single track, all you need to do again is to come back to select and say all, and then you can go back to tracks, you can come to mix, and then you can see mix and render. Once you click on mix and render, it is going to make everything in one track, and you can download this and listen to all of them at the same time. Find this helpful? Please leave a like.